Hi, in this video we will learn how to use marketing credits via dashboard. To do so, please log into your dashboard account and click on the credit section in the top bar. So here you will find two options. One is to use marketing credits and second is floor check-ins. You need to refer to the first option to use your available credits. You can view the balance mentioned over here. Through these credits, you can send emailers to visitors and exhibitors. To use your credits, click on Send Invites button. You will land on this page wherein you need the target industry is already set as you have mentioned while activating your campaign. You can select the target location. In case you want to select a preferred zone or preferred country, you can type in and you can here select from the drop down menu. Next, you can select the event for which you want to use your marketing credits. Next, you can select the nature of your target audience, whether you want to send it to visitors or exhibitors. Here, please know that one credit will be redeemed for sending one visitor invite and 10 credits will be redeemed to send one exhibitor invite. Next, you can enter the number of credits to be redeemed from the credit balance. You can send the invites either immediately or schedule it for later. If you are scheduling it to send the invites later, please select the date and time according to Indian Standard Time and click on the Send Invites button. After you click the Send Invite button, a preview page will appear which will show the mailer design and content that will be sent to your target audience. It will be an automated template, so you cannot change the design and format of the mailer. However, if you feel you need to edit the content, you can always go back to your dashboard and edit it. If you want to approve it, please click on Looks Good and Send. And you can keep checking your leads page to know the responses later. Also, under the credit section, apart from the credits included in any subscription plan, you can also buy credits. So, to do so, you can click on the Add Credits button. You can choose this package or how much balance, how much credit package you want to buy, and you may proceed on Proceed to Pay. Our team will contact you further with the payment link and other formalities. Lastly, you can also check the report of the credits used down on the same page. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.